Welcome to Easy Drawing Classroom. Hello friends, I'm Anna Maria. It's nice to meet you. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to draw a moon. Let's get started. Interestingly, when the moon first formed, around 4.5 billion years ago, it was much closer to Earth, and looked a lot bigger in the sky. Back then, days on Earth were also shorter. As the moon drifts away, Earth's rotation slows down, so our days are getting slightly longer. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth. Every year, the moon moves about 3.8 centimeters farther from our planet. This happens because of the gravitational forces between the Earth and the moon. When the Earth's gravity pulls on the moon, it creates a slight push, causing the moon to move away little by little. What do you guys think? Our drawing is cute, isn't it? Here we are. It's time to paint. Purple. Yellow. Letter M, for moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Thanks for watching. See you next video.